DLRs, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking Shark vacuum cleaners today, and in the event that your Shark vacuum cleaner head or circular brush inside that head is not spinning, we're going to show you how to fix that. Let's take a look. DLRs, in front of us now is our Shark Ion vacuum cleaner, and again, unfortunately, our vacuum head and roller is not doing what it is designed to do. It's not rolling, not spinning, not doing anything. It's basically dead. And two things can cause this, and we recommend basically first flipping the vacuum head and roller assembly over and cleaning out the entire bottom portion. If it is aggressively dirty and knotted with hair or any other debris, alleviating the rollers from efficiently spinning, that will cause the system to shut down, and that green light will illuminate as well as blinking headlights. However, if it is clean, which in our case it's clean enough, we have the worst of the two. We have snapped or failed belts inside. And again, we are going to turn the vacuum on. I do want to show you that green light illuminate. So again, our roller is not spinning. Next, what I did was remove the vacuum motor, and in front of us now, all we have is the roller and brush mechanism. We are now going to remove this clear lens or cap or shroud and release each of these, and that will pop that out or loose and set that aside. Again, it may be as simple as cleaning your brush to get everything back up and running, but in our case, that's not the case. Taking a step back, I've removed the towel, and additional areas to check and inspect and clean are all of the connection points. And every disconnected part has electrical contacts. And again, just verify that they are clean, no lint, no dust, no debris. And if I disconnected that, you would see the holes that the electrical contacts are in. So again, just go ahead and inspect those and clean them. DLRs, scrolling above right now as well as down below in the comments and description will be a link on replacing our belts. And we are going to replace both belts, one on each side.